God is an artist. Think about it. The colors on the sunset, the pattern on the butterfly, the shape of a mountain, and the stars that light up the sky night. Every day, we are surrounded by masterpieces that are not created by human hands. As photographers, we spend our time looking for beautiful things to capture. But the truth is, the greatest artist has already painted the world around us. We are not creating beauty, we are just discovering it. So the next time you see an opportunity or you see a beautiful scene, remember it is more than a photo opportunity. It's a reminder that God is the greatest painter of all time. Every day, his artwork is on display. You and I. So to see more content like this, feel free to subscribe, like, share, and comment. If there's any question, feel free to reach out and I'm here for you. See you on the next one. Bye.